Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fun with Olivia. If you are new here, this channel used to be called Makeup Fun with Olivia because I also love makeup, but lately I've been into fiber, into my knitting and crochet, which I've been into for a long time. I just hadn't talked about it on my YouTube channel. Makeup is not off the table. In fact, there's something coming up for my makeup subscribers, so keep your eyes open because it's coming. Today I am going to share my two subscription boxes, my two yarn subscription boxes. I'm going to start with Knitcrate, and then I'm going to share my YarnYAY. So my Knitcrate is my last box. It's funny because my debit card expired and they were sending me the new one, and I got a little message saying, "You've been canceled." And I was like, "What?" And so I looked it up, and sure enough, it was my debit card that had expired. So I was like, oh, I just need to go in there and, update it, because I had been doing that with a bunch of other auto pay things that I have. I just forgot to do it for Knitcrate, but they canceled me. And so I thought, well, geez, okay. And then I got a message from YarnYAY saying, oh, your card is no longer works. Would you like to update it? And I thought, what a nice way to handle it. So good job, YarnYAY. Very nice way of handling it. They didn't just cancel me. Oops, sorry about that. That was my mic. But you know what? I decided to leave this canceled. Not because I was upset at that, even though it didn't rub me the right way either, but I thought, you know what? I'm going to leave it canceled, because even though I have liked the yarns that I've gotten from Knitcrate, I don't think I've made one item. So I decided, even though their yarns are okay and you get 2 skeins or 2 hanks, and it's a good deal, and I'll put the info down here or down in the description box somewhere. So yeah, and then I thought, well, maybe I'll join the sock crate instead, because, I'm getting into socks. And if you haven't seen my prior video, I'm now knitting my first pair of socks ever. And also I use fingering weight yarn because I'm an avid doily maker. I love doilies, especially in the colorful fingering yarn. So anyway, I haven't decided. I'm probably not going to subscribe to another Knitcrate because we also got another email saying that stuff has happened with the shipping and prices have gone up, and I get it. I get that they have to stay afloat, but I'm like, you know what? I think I'd rather spend that money on some yarn that I choose from Michaels or from Etsy or from wherever, instead of, Anyway, I'm not bad-mouthing Knitcrate. I'm just saying it just hasn't really been as exciting for me. So anyways, let's go in to the last box. Having said that, I did get a nice box. So this box was supposed to be, I believe, for March, but I actually got it for February because of their shipping issues. And it's called Inspirations. They give you a little booklet with information about the yarns and about their sock yarn subscription as well. And then they give you the patterns for this box, and you also get the patterns for the socks, which I think is really cool. So if you're already a sock maker, then you're also getting sock patterns, and just this booklet alone is a good deal, right? Okay, so let's get to the yarn. Oh, you know what? Let me show you. They also send you a little goodie, and I really did like this goodie. It's a tape measure. And then you press the button here, and it says all you need is yarn. And it has this, looks like, so you can hang it around your neck, not lose it, hang it from somewhere. So that's really cute. I like it. So the 2 skeins of yarn are here. I really like this colorway. Let me set one down and put this over here. This is by, oops, sorry about that. This is by Audine Wools by Knitcrate, and it's called, oh no, it's not called Calm. So with Knitcrate, up until now, you could choose from 4 different colorways, I guess, and I chose the Calm one, but I think that's changed now because they're trying to save money, so you don't get a choice anymore. I think now it's just anything goes from now on. So, but I was a part of the Calm one, and this is, the yarn is called Reflection, and it's 80% wool, 10% silk, 10% mohair. It's a DK weight, and I get 231 yards. Hand wash gently, lay flat to dry. Made in Peru. I think it's pretty. It's really pretty. It feels squishy, but it's not very soft. It's kind of pokey. And I think it's the mohair. I bought myself some of those soap wash samples from Amazon. You get little packets for a few dollars. So I'll try that, you know, when I have some scratchy yarn, because it is really pretty. I like the color, how it's like, I don't know if you can see, but it kind of has some gray in there and like teal obviously, but you have some gray in there, which makes it, I really like the color and the depth it gives the yarn. And I like that it's squishy too. It's just not necessarily something that I would put, like, I like making cowls and stuff for my neck. Obviously I like wearing things around my neck, but I don't know, maybe this will be something, you know, a shawl, or I don't know, something else. Give me some ideas. Because I have 2 skeins of it and it's really pretty. I just don't know what I'm gonna make with it. So I'm happy with it. I don't feel like I lost on my money. But yeah, it is what it is. That was my last box. Now on to YarnYAY. YarnYAY, again, I'll put all of the information either right here or in the description if you're interested in knowing how much it costs and all of that, because I always forget, you guys. But so it comes in a teal box, and it is cured by Vicky Howell. Vicky Howell is amazing. And this is what her box looks like. So let me first say that I love YarnYAY. I love it. It's a little bit pricier. And you get a little bit less yarn, actually a lot less yarn, because usually she just sends you about half a skein or half of a regular size hank. But it's always nice yarn. It's always something new and fun to try. She really has fun putting these boxes together, and it's exciting, and I always look forward to her boxes. I really, really do. So yeah, she puts in yarn. She puts in 2 patterns, a crochet pattern and a knitting pattern. Usually they're by her, but sometimes they're not. Sometimes they're by, you know, whoever collaborated with her with the yarn, or maybe it's another yarn designer. She tries to support businesses that are smaller businesses that are usually not chain businesses. So we get a couple of other things in here that are, you know, that'll make us yarnies happy. So anyways, that's kind of a little bit about the box. Presentation is just amazing. I always recycle this and use it for like a gift bag later on. But the very first thing, we're gonna jump into the yarn. So you don't get a choice of the yarns with her. You get what you get. And I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that because I feel like she always has really pretty colors. So this is what we got this February. It's called Spring Break, and it's a hand-dyed yarn. Now this is out of the ordinary for her. She did tell us, because she did this special yarn in collaboration with them, then we actually got a full skein or full hank this month, or February. So I think it's beautiful. These are colors that I love. There were two. There was one that was pink, and there was another one that was blue and teals, and that one was the more popular one. I know everybody loved it, but you know what? I love this one, and I'm a pink lover, so, and I definitely like my teal, as you can tell, it's matching. So I'm excited. I'm excited to use this. I have made every pattern. I've only been a subscriber since, oh wait, is this March? I think this was March. Anyway, I only started in December, January, my subscription, and I've made every project from my YarnYAY box. So let's talk a little bit about the yarn. It is 75% merino, 25% nylon. It's a fingering weight, and we got 440 yards. It is machine wash, cold, lay flat, dry. Again, I'm okay with that. It's made in Turkey. I'm excited to, and you know what? It's not like super soft, but it's not scratchy. It feels like, you know how like nice acrylic yarn feels? It's just right. I would wear this around my neck, and I probably am going to be, because let me share with you the little booklet that comes with this YarnYAY box. So the knit pattern is called a Wave Hello scarf. Let's see if I can find a big picture to show you. Nope, I don't think so. So I will show you this. That is the scarf slash shawl. And I think I'm going to make the knit one. It has a lovely crochet one too, and usually I can't decide between the crochet and the knit. They're both so pretty, and that's in the blue skein, and that's really pretty too, but I think I prefer the knit one because it looks like it has some drop stitches. Oh, here. Oh, the middle page is not even stuck to it. See, that's what it's gonna look like with this yarn. I can't wait, you guys. That looks really pretty. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be making this one as well. And then I have two goodies in here. One of them is a YarnYAY. Usually when she does collaborations with companies, you know, they'll add YarnYAY, they'll do something special. This is a little keychain. How cute is this? And this is pink. And this is to tell us how much yarn we need for certain projects. I don't know if you can see that there. Did I get it dirty? Because I don't remember it getting dirty. That's okay, you can still read it. So it tells me in a super fine weight yarn for a hat, I need about 325 yards. A scarf, 825 yards. Socks, about 500 yards. So, you know, it helps you figure out if you're a newbie, this totally helps you. And they do sell them on their website. I'll put the link in the description. Big Blue Mama, that's the name of the company. They do talk a little bit about the companies in the booklet. Let me see. Here we go. Yarn Amount Tool by Big Blue Mama. We've all been there at our LYS, which is our local yarn shop, or surfing the web when we find a yarn we must have. How much to buy to make socks, a hat, a baby sweater, or other item though? Hang this tool on your project bag and you'll have your answer. Blue Mama is a Canadian-based, woman-owned company that employs over 350 women in Africa. To learn more, go to www.bigbluemama.com. So see, that's just one example of who she partners with. And, you know, she kind of like helps give more limelight to those businesses so that we can support them if we like their products, right? Okay, and then the other item is this bag, this tote that is water-free, and I already read up about it. This is no surprise to us. The box is no surprise to us because she does a video, you know, at the beginning of the month to let us know what's going to be coming in our box and why she chose it and all of that. So I'll list that video down below too if you want to see it. But so it's not a surprise, but it's still fun to open my box. Okay. Tyvek logo project bag. Our latest logo bag is ready for those trips to visit the waves. The Tyvek material it's made from will repel water. Have fun. Yeah, so this repels water, so this is kind of cool. Kind of cool. I just went to the beach a couple of weeks ago, so I can use this for the beach or just for whatever. So I have a little tote. I have a little yarn tool, and I have my pretty yarn and my patterns. I'm happy. I'm a happy camper with YarnYAY. I really am. Anyway, let me know what your thoughts are. Are any of you subscribed to these? Let me know, and let me know your thoughts on them. And if you're not and you're interested, I am given a referral code so that you can get a discount on your first box. So I'll put that down. If not, no pressure, but I know I took advantage of them to get a discount on my first box when I first signed up. I can't even remember who from, but they will be in the description box if you're interested. And with that, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and we'll talk to you later. Bye!